So, now that we figured out our mistake, we get to play power lifters. Yay. Yeah, you gotta jiggle with me. All right, let's get the pry bars. Any of the other one?
I think we'll need the other one.
Did you get it? Yeah, we're out on this side, but we're not out on that side. You might not be out all the way. Yep, there we go. And straight down. 3, 2.
Oh, smells horrible. Do we have a gasket?
I don't know. We'll have to take a quick look. Yeah. Pull yours out just a little bit more. Okay. There we go. Okay, so it's out. We're gonna get a gasket real quick.
So, in it, a 3. We're putting a 350 in it.
Yep.
So we're putting it deeper.
Nope, Scotty, shut up. Shut up. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what do we say?
Later.